Ito yung Jewish ghetto. Ito yung mga Hudyong pinatay. Yes, ito yung lugar dito. Ano pangalan dito, Caroli?
Ghetto Memorial Square?
Ayan yung mga yung upuan na yan, nakisimbolo ng mga diyan sila pinahirapan at pinatay diyan sa upuan na yan. Yung mga Hudyo nung panahon ng ikalawang digmaan. Di bali ilan yan? Marami rin. Diyan sila
Sa gilid yan, may tao. Tapos pinapatay sila lahat.
Oh. Diyan sila inuupo dyan.
Gagawin. Babarilin. Ganyan.
Hindi kami, naano kami ngayon ay tag-ulan. Kaya itong lakad namin, hindi kami gala-gala ng gusto at nag-uulan. At saka ko konting turista pupunta dahil ano nga, maulan ngayon. Diyan sa loob, diyan sila ata inilibing, ikinulong. Dito sila ikinulong. Dito pa rin sa lugar ng Krakow. Ngayon ay ano nga pala?
Birthday ni Kaman,
26 ng March, birthday ni Mahal. Yun. 49th, happy 49th birthday. 49th birthday. Malapit ng ano.
Happy birthday.
Birthday niya, March 27, 2026. Mamaya. Malamig. Diyan sila mga pinatay sa upuan na yan.
From the second war. No. Trace of bullets. Yeah, trace of bullets by German attack.
German soldier.
Yeah,
Attack.
German soldier. Yeah.
Ito yung mga
This building, including in the ghetto. This
all the building
including in the to the ghetto.
together. Ito yung mga binomba, pinagbabaril ng mga Germans nung panahon ng digmaan. Andiyan pa yung mga bakas ng ano, yung bakas ng mga tama ng mga baril at mga kanyon. Ito yung sinasakyan namin ngayon. Tour guide. May tour guide kami. Lahat na itong build ito.
Yeah, now is social building.
Social building.
Social connect. A little bit that
Number 7A.
How was the ghetto? Ghetto from 1941, 1943. In this building lived the Jewish. All of this building lived Jewish people. About 20,000 Jewish people lived in. It was 320 houses. You know, and in these houses lived Jewish people. Yeah, and she lived house Sardin. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah,
No.
in one room, so many people.
Yeah, so many people. In each room, many people.
Okay, balik na ulit kami sa aming tuk-tuk. Punta na naman kami sa panibagong panibago naming location. Nirentahan namin itong sasakyan na magkano? Sa pera ng ano, mga 30 lang, 30 sa pera ng
Hindi. 37.90. 38 pounds.
mabuti mabait itong driver natin, ano?
Nasa 3,000.
Hindi siya
Tumawad kasi.
3,000.
ayan, ulibutin namin ng buong syudad. 10 destinasyon na pupuntahan namin. May kinalaman sa historical sites ng Krakow. Ito, panibago naming lokasyon. Isa sa mga 10 lokasyon na pupuntahan namin. Ghetto.
In this place, it was the employment office used by the German people to send Jews for forced labor.
It's also a hospital. Also they use it as hospital.
Now is this building is music school.
A music school.
Yeah.
Music.
Yeah.
But before it was a
Before the live people here.
people. Yes, again, yeah. Mostly Jewish.
In this place, no. The main place was the Jewish quarter. In Jewish quarter lived about 70,000
Right.
Jewish people.
Right.
Here only the ghetto. Only the ghetto.
The ghetto.
In one place, that,
Yeah. Okay, next. Sunod naman yung pang-ilan na to? Pang-ilan na naming tatlo na lang. Hindi, pangatlo pa lang ito. Meron pa tayong 7. Ayan, wala tayong mga picture.
Eh ano lang naman yan. Oh, hindi ka na-picture dati.
Pero parang bahay lang din naman yan.
Bahay lang, oh.
Pero nag-serve din daw ng hospital.
Oo, sa Siga Hospital.
Gusto ko ikaw, meron pa rin. Ay, basic school na nga pala. Eh, dito sa Krakow, meron pa rin nakatira mga kids. Meron pa rin.
Oo.
Hindi na rin sila umalis ngayon. Marami na matangay.
building.
Doon na
After the liquidation, the ghetto killed all people in here. About 100 people killed. The nurses, the doctor, all
They
patients, all people.
Ito yung lumang hospital daw. Dito pinagpapatay yung mga
Doktor,
Mga doktor.
pasyente, at
and
nurse.
patient.
The Jewish residential district was created on the right bank of the Vistula River as part of the District Governor Adon Wacher's enactment dated March 3, 1941. German Nazis occupying the city justified this decision to the Jews with health and police reasons. All Jewish institutions were transferred to the ghetto area. The commune, the hospital, the Jewish social self-help, the orphanage, as well as German Job Center branch office, the post office, and the pharmacy. Some 15,000 people were squeezed into 320 ghetto buildings by March 20th, 1941. The area was gradually reduced and its inhabitants were transported to extermination camps, mainly to Buests. On March 13th and 14th, the ghetto was liquidated. The inhabitants were divided into those able to work at Pajov camp and others women, children, elderly people, the sick, all of whom were condemned to death. On the following day, the former Jewish flats were searched and plundered. Those absconding were immediately shot. The ghetto wall was knocked down in September, and the place ceased to exist.
Ayun, narinig nyo ang narrative.
Now is social help, Polish social help organization in this building.
Now,
Now.
Polish Social Health Organization.
Itong sinasakyan namin may kasamang ano ba tawag na? Narrative na historical yung makasaysayang lugar. Recorded sa ni-record nila. Bawat lokasyon may makasaysayang lugar.
Church, which was built during the years 1905 to 1909, is the biggest church in Podgórze. The interior of the church was modeled after Gothic cathedrals. It is full of many altars, benches, and other sections, mainly crafted from wood. In 1922, organs were mounted. These organs have a curious history.
If you want 5 minutes, you want to see the church inside, you have 10 minutes for you.
When was this built? Long time ago? Long time ago.
Yeah.
St. Joseph Church.
San Joseph Church. Yeah.
St. Joseph Church. Pakuha tayo mo ng 4. Can you take picture, all of us?
Yes.
St. Joseph Church. Itanayo pa noong 1800. Noong 1920, ginamit ito ng mga ayun na. Ayun na naman si Kaed na. Ang laki. Cathedral ng St. Joseph Church. Ayan na. Baka uminom. Ang laki. Balik na. Yeah, very nice. Balik na naman kami sa panibagong lokasyon. Panibagong lokasyon na namin. Inalo namin. How do you call this car in Polish? What name in Polish this one?
Melex.
Melex.
Polish.
We have been following the history of Krakow's occupation, Oskar Schindler, and the Jews who started their last journey from here. Podgórze, which we are leaving behind, has many other mysteries which you may want to discover. A famous alchemist, Mr. Twardowski, had his laboratory here. You may look back upon the times of the ancient Slavs and legendary city founder Krak by climbing the Krakus Mound. It is on this mound that a well-known Rękawka feast is organized in order to present some ancient rituals. Numerous parks.
Building daw, anong bridge daw to? Ha? Kaila 18th century itong bridge na to.
Factory, situated in a former Czechoslovakia. Nowadays, the plant functions as a World War II memorial and a museum.
Ito yung Schindler's Factory. Dito yung factory ng mga ammunition nung panahon ng giyera. Ito may ano siya, Schindler's List. Pelikulang Schindler's List sa Auschwitz.
Fabbrica Schindler. Adesso davanti a noi la porta principale che portava alla
Italia.
fabbrica Schindler. Per questa porta passavano ogni giorno gli ebrei del ghetto.
May kasama kaming mga
Sono quelli che
Italiano.
ebbero fortuna di essere iscritti nella lista degli impiegati.
Eh?
La porta si vede molte volte nel film di Spielberg ed è un simbolo particolare. Una porta che per 1200 ebrei era una porta della libertà. La produzione della fabbrica, destinata all'esercito tedesco, includeva pentole smaltate, portavivande, bossoli dei proiettili di artiglieria, inneschi degli esplosivi. Nella seconda metà dell'anno 1944, visto l'avvicinarsi del fronte dell'est, Schindler spostò la sua fabbrica con gli impiegati in Moravia ed in Boemia. Oggi l'edificio ha funzione da luogo di commemorazione museo, dove è disponibile un'esposizione dedicata alla storia degli ebrei di Cracovia. Vi chiediamo di osservare la lapide che è stata posta nell'ottobre 2003 con una citazione del Talmud che ha ispirato anche il grande regista. Chi salva una vita, salva il mondo intero.
Yan building na yan. Pagawaan ng mga ammunition.
The street, which used to be one of the main streets of the Podgorze district. It is a place where a fragment of the ghetto wall has been preserved. You might want to pay attention to the wall's characteristic ending. This is the shape of matzava, a tombstone to be found at Jewish cemeteries. There is a plate on the wall, both in Polish and Yiddish, saying, "It is here that people lived, suffered, and died from the hands of the Nazi torturers. It is from here that their last road to extermination camps began." Israeli delegations and numerous Jewish groups visiting Krakow linger here for a bit, usually leaving flowers and remembering all Holocaust victims.
So this is the ghetto wall. Ano bang meron dito? Yung memory.
Adesso ci troviamo sulla via Moro, che era una delle vie principali di qui rimangono piccole sezioni delle.
Nandito tayo sa bagong lokasyon sa tara, dapat. Papasok kami sa castle ngayon. Maulan. Ayan, basang-basa.
So yung may rain at rain na condition.
Ayan yung tore. Maulan, maulan, maulan. Maulan, birthday ni Ka Frankie, maulan. Ngayon araw ang birthday ni Ka Frankie. Kami sa gala-gala kahit maulan. March 27, 2026. Ayan yung labas.
Simbahan pa school.
Ito yung ano? Oh, ito. Sa loob ng mismo. Ayan na. Tumunog na yung dalawa. Ito, buo rito. Maganda. Lamig. Oh, ano to? Pabao Castle yata. Pabao Castle. Ayun.
Mahal yung pag...
Ayun, buti may mainit na ano dun, oh. Saan tayong kamay? Init na yung kamay ko. Oh.
Pwede ata pong pasok sa loob eh.
Ay, ang ganda, oh. Ganda.
Kaso ba yan? Mahal pa talaga. Bili ka, kape.
Ah,
Ka dyan.
oo. Parang ano siya. Tea room. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Patay pa.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Siya pa naiiyak.
Yun, ay. Pag na, nakadali ka na rin iba to.
Wala pa yan si Kamani.
Tears of joy.
Siya pa naiiyak.
Tears of joy
Okay
pa.
lang yun, bro. Meron iba naman eh.
Ayan po ay March 27, 2026. Nandito kami sa Krakow. Huling gabi na namin ito. At bukas ay maglalabay na kami patungo sa aming tahanan sa UK. At sa susunod na hintayin nyo at sa susunod na mga ilang buwan, ibang lugar naman ang pupuntahan namin. Sa ngayon, ito, naganda kami ng konting makakain kasi mas mabubusog ka kaysa sa labas. Pagpasensya nyo na. Ngayon ay ika-49th birthday ni Ka Frankie. More blessings to come and more good health to come. In God's will. Thank you po sa inyo at abangan nyo ang susunod na vlog namin. Thank you so much. Dzień dobry, dzień dobry. Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry is good morning. Ano na ngayon?
Siyempre, gabi na.
Gabi na. Alright, sige, kain na. Kain na.
Para kayo, kanin.
Eh, may kanin na kami.
Kain na.
Ako nilalak pala.
Ayun na. TV Patrol. Habang kumakain, nakain kami ng TV. Ayan na.
Daming kanin pala, kain na.
Krakow.
Tayo nito.
Huling gabi sa Krakow.
Dami pong kinain ka. Caroline, damihan ng kanin kasi ang dami palang kanin.
Ang daming kanin. Pagka bukas na umaga, kumain kayo dahil maraming ulam.
Akala ko
Maraming ulam.
Sobra. Ibig sabihin, sobra-sobra. Ang blessing. Oo. Magkakaroon kasi meron kami kanin.